Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to get bomb lashes with no falsies. Okay, you guys know how much I love falsies, but also there's some days that you just want to go more natural, and I have devised some amazing tips, tricks, and techniques to really help maximize your natural lashes and just like give you like that bomb look. And I was really honored because Laura Mercier chose me to work with them on their newest launch for the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. So thank you to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. And let's get into all the tips, tricks, and all that good jazz. The first thing that I definitely recommend to you guys if you want to make your lashes look so fire is curling. So I know a lot of people might get intimidated by these lash curlers, but honestly, these are gonna be your best friend. So you curl right at the root of the lash. I kind of pulse it back and forth, let go, release, and then go back in at the middle of the lash. So I'm doing a double curl because that is going to hold your curl a lot longer. And do you see how like way more open-eyed and bright-eyed my eyes look already just from doing the curl? And with this little like tip, you can really get like the most bang for your buck. So again, go in, get it right at the root, pulse, release, and then go again, like right at the middle of the lash the second time. And bam! False lashes who? Whoa, that like really opened my lashes up. So this is actually the Laura Mercier lash curler as well. You kind of do want to apply your mascara pretty quickly, but it's kind of hard for me today because I'm like talking it through. But you want to apply your mascara as quickly as possible after you've curled, just so that it holds that curl. But getting to the mascara, so you guys know which one I'm going to be using, the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. What you want to do is when you are taking out your mascara, a lot of times the mascara has a little bit too much product, and I like to actually wipe off the product because you really want to get the most benefit out of the actual shape of the mascara wand. And this one has a really cool helix shape. So as you can see, it has this like turning helix motion to it that just hugs onto the lashes and gives you the most volume possible. Plus it actually has hollow fibers, so it's not gonna like smudge, flake, clump, or anything like that. So now you can see the helix shape a lot more now that like most of the product is wiped off. So you're gonna get the most like benefit from the shape, if that makes sense. So now my next tip, when you're actually applying, you always want to use a rotating motion. So pay attention to like actually how my hand is moving as I'm applying this mascara. This is a game changer. Also like the wiggling and then extending motion is pretty good too, but I prefer a rotating motion because I feel like, again, it's just really gonna get in there, coat every single lash, and really like extend your lashes out. Like I said, pay attention to how my hand is moving. I rotate and then pull out. Rotate and lengthen. I usually always recommend black mascaras because you're just gonna get the most pigment and it's gonna look even more voluminous than it would otherwise. And this one actually has Noir de Noir pigments, which provide an intense glossy finish to the lashes, which is really pretty. And you can see how this helix shape is really weaving in between the lashes to evenly coat every single lash to get that like 360 effect. Look how pretty it's already looking. Actually, I have one more tip on this eye before we move on to the second eye. You actually take the tip of the wand, and after rotating, I take the tip and just go right here on the outer corner to like kind of draw that out even more. Then I'll take a spoolie and just make sure everything's like nice and brushed out. Do you see how excited I am? Okay, so moving on to the other eye, again, use that rotating motion. You can really see the curl. I'm gonna just curl this side one more time because I've been sitting here for a bit now. Again, wipe the excess, and then go in and rotate and lift. And then at the end here, take the tip of the mascara and actually lengthen out the outer corner. And this is really going to give you that super like wide-eyed, almost like panoramic effect to the lashes. Once the mascara is like almost dry, you want to actually go through, I do this with false lashes and I do this with my normal lashes because I love the look of like uplifted eyes because I just feel like it makes your eye shape look way more feminine. I actually go in and like push up the outer corner of my lashes with my fingertip. And you can actually do this like throughout the day as well to like give them that extra little nudge to be like, please stay up through the day. Do it right before a selfie, honey. You'll see the difference that it makes. And I personally also go in with my bottom lashes. Some people don't like to put mascara on their bottom lashes, but personally I do. So for that, I actually will just use like the tip on the lower lashes just to get it like a little zhuzh, and then I go in slightly and like blend it out. Alrighty, so thanks to Laura Mercier. Now on to the other products. Another little thing that I wanted to talk about is just making sure your lashes are like nicely conditioned and you're taking care of your lashes. So I would recommend using something like castor seed oil, coconut oil. That's particularly what I use because I feel like it helps to really like condition your lashes and just keep them as healthy as possible, especially if you are wearing makeup on them all the time. That's something that I find helpful. So you want to take like a clean spool. You can get them on Amazon, like the clean ones, and then I just dip it straight into the bottle and like go through my lashes and also my brows at night. So when you are taking off your mascara at night, you always want to use a cleansing oil. I just feel like that just really gets every last bit of makeup and mascara and eyeliner and everything off at night. I do not recommend using pads or anything that's gonna like tug on your skin too much anymore because I was finding that my lashes were actually falling out really easily, and I feel like you can't expect to like love how your lashes look with your mascara when they're falling out and like they may be sparse or sparser than like you're naturally supposed to have. So always use a cleansing oil because it's just going to take care of your lashes a lot better. Alrighty guys, so those are all of my tips on how to get bomb lashes with just mascara. I promise you that these tips are so bomb. Like my lashes did not always look like this with just mascara. I feel like there was definitely a time where like I would not leave the house without my falsies because I literally felt naked without them. But now that I have like all these tips and like the right products and everything, I feel like I can really get them looking good. So I'm like, you know what? On a natural snatch kind of day, I'm ready. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on if you try out these techniques and love them. Tag me on Instagram, Twitter, all that jazz, and I will see you guys next time. Jazz, get it? All that jazz, get it?